I'm excited to tell you about myself and how I could be a valuable asset to your company. I'm a highly motivated and creative individual with a passion for problem solving and a strong work ethic. I'm a quick learner, adaptable to new situations, and possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills. My skills are particularly well suited to roles requiring innovative thinking and the ability to generate creative solutions. I am eager to contribute my skills and enthusiasm to a dynamic and challenging work environment. My potential lies in my ability to quickly grasp complex concepts, work independently or collaboratively, and consistently deliver high quality results. I'm confident I can quickly become a productive member of your team. My strengths include creativity and innovation. I thrive on brainstorming and developing original ideas. I'm not afraid to think outside the box and explore unconventionally solutions. Problem solving. I approach challenges systematically, identifying root causes and developing effective solutions. Communication. I am a clear and concise communicator both verbally and in writing. I can adapt my communication style to different audiences. Adaptability. I'm comfortable with ambiguity and change readily, adjusting to new situations and priorities. Teamwork. I am collaborative team player and enjoy working with others to achieve sharp goals or share our goals. Team management. I'm highly organized and manage my team effectively to meet deadlines. My weaknesses, while I strive for perfection, I acknowledge that I sometimes take on too much, leading to potential burnout. I'm actively working on prioritizing tasks and delegating when necessary to mitigate this. I also recognize that my strong focus on details can sometimes slow down the overall process. I'm learning to balance attention to detail with efficiency and speed. Handling criticism and feedback. I welcome constructive criticism and feedback as opportunities for growth. I actively listen to feedback, analyze it objectively, and use it for to improve my performance. I believe that open communication is crucial for continuous improvement, and I'm always receptive to suggestions for enhancing my skills and contributions. My motivation. What motivates me most in the opportunity to contribute meaningfully to a team and see the impact of my work. I'm driven by challenges that push me to learn and grow, and I find immense satisfaction in achieving goals and exceeding expectation. A supportive and collaborative work environment where I can continuously learn and develop is essential to my motivation. I am confident that my skills and enthusiasm would make me a valuable addition to your team. I'm eager to learn more about the specific opportunities available and discuss how I can contribute to your company's success. That's all. Thank you.